Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming permissions and marking utilities. You must avoid surprises. Next, jack one side slowly until the floor clears the foundation, then set jack stands to secure height. Once supported, slide steel rollers or skids beneath crossbeams. Make sure rollers are evenly spaced and greased. Tie the shed to a central pulling strap to control movement and position helpers at both sides. Move in small increments so you maintain balance and prevent twisting. Stop and resecure the jacks after every shift. Once rollers are set and your pulling vehicle is aligned, apply steady, low-force tension. Jerky pulls will lift or twist the structure. Guide the shed while a spotter watches corners and roof clearance. Make small course corrections to stay on the prepared path. As you pass over rough spots, stop, raise the shed slightly with jacks, swap damaged rollers, and reset the supports. This prevents binding. Keep the load centered on the rollers and check that the shed remains level. Retention straps if any shift occurs. You now position the shed over its new foundation. Verify alignment with reference marks before lowering. Gradually release jacks 1/4 turn at a time while checking level at multiple points, and seat the shed on a blocks or the foundation evenly to avoid concentrated stress. Once down, disconnect straps and inspect skids and joists for damage. If you hit resistance or binding, stop immediately. Rejack the structure, add shims, reposition rollers, and only continue when movement is smooth. This prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.